Introduction to Tandem App.
Tandem is a language exchange app that connects you with native speakers around the world. It's designed to help you practice real-life conversations and improve your English speaking skills. You can chat via text, voice, or even video calls, making it a flexible choice for learners at any level.
Setting up your profile.
After downloading Tandem, sign up and create your profile. Specify your native language, the language you want to learn, and your learning goals. Adding a photo and writing a short introduction makes you more approachable to potential partners. The more complete your profile, the easier it is to find good conversation matches.
Finding English-speaking partners.
Browse the list of available language partners, filtering by language, location, or interests. Look for native English speakers or advanced learners willing to exchange conversations. Send a friendly message introducing yourself and mentioning your purpose. Being polite and clear about your learning goals helps attract the right speaking partners.
Using chat, voice, and video features.
Start your language exchange using Tandem's chat, voice, or video call features. Begin with text messages if you feel shy, or jump straight into voice notes or calls for real speaking practice. Take turns correcting and encouraging each other. Tandem offers in-app translation and correction tools to support your learning.
Tips for effective English practice.
Set clear goals for each conversation, such as discussing daily routines or learning new vocabulary. Be patient with yourself and your partner. Consistency is key. Regular practice builds confidence. Don't hesitate to ask for help with pronunciation or grammar. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Enjoy speaking English and making new friends.